I get even more excited when I try new... Oh shit, did I order no meat in my salad? This is my first week at Invisalign, so I can't really talk, so don't judge me, okay? Hey guys, what is up? It's your girl Simone here, and today in this video, I'm gonna be doing a try on haul with CUPSHE. So CUPSHE is a beachwear brand, basically made for women. I have worked with them before, like when I first started YouTube, like years ago. I wasn't familiar with it. So I was also very skeptical of the sizing, and because it was just so inexpensive, I was like, am I gonna get what I actually see online? I would say go up a size, period. So I got every single thing in a size medium, just because typically, I normally wear a size small, even though I put on weight, but I got a size medium so that everything would fit comfortable. Since I gained weight, I am a medium. I'm in denial. So the first bathing suit that I tried on was this orange reddish type of like bathing suit. Oh, guys, I love the way this fits. It fits amazing. Now with this try on haul, I do want to mention to you guys that years into my YouTube career, I am slowly starting to realize that yes, I like what I like, but I'm also willing to try other things for people who may not want to wear certain things, okay? With that being said, my style, I like skimpy, I like string bikini, I like less fabric. But for this try on haul, I kind of mixed it up. So some things are cheeky and some things are not. I kind of just mixed it all in there. All right, this is great quality. I love the tie in the front. There is that little grip thing right here, like the silicone thing, to help keep the fabric up onto your skin. And then there is like a string that you put around your neck if you wanted to have even more support. This part to me is so cute. I love how, you know, simple it is, but it still has a bit of like special designs on it that add some more glam to the top and the bottom, like these tassels. The bottom is not super cheeky. It definitely is a full fit. There is no like big brief type of look. See, I have a flat ass, so I feel like for me, I like certain things that fit my shape. So I feel like for me, I have to wear certain bottoms that emphasize what I'm lacking. You know what I'm saying? Or fits me where I'm lacking. So that's why I have to wear I like to wear specific bottoms. Can't untie this. This is basically a full bottom. They just added some detail right here. And yeah. Now for the next one, I think this is my favorite one. This is the all white. It looks so fancy and cute. I feel like this with a nice huge straw hat is a whole vibe on a beach, okay? Whether it be Mexico, California, Miami, whatever. I feel like this is a whole vibe, especially if you put like a nice straw bag with it. The detail on it and this is so cute. A big thing for me is adjusting on the bathing suit, like especially the top, like you can see right here, because I don't really have like I don't have huge boobs, okay, period. I wear a 34B or a B34, however you say it. I wear that. Sometimes when I adjust, it makes it feel more secure. This bathing suit is amazing quality. I cannot stress that enough. It is freaking amazing quality. The bottom is a full fit, so it's not cheeky. To me, this is like a yacht party type of thing or a boat party. This is really cute. Yeah, great material. They did a great job with this one. Let's see, the next one. The next one I'm gonna show you guys is this one. Now, this is definitely not my style, but you know, I'll wear it to a family, you know, family outing, you know, if I want to show too much skin. I would still wear this. Okay, I would probably wear it if I'm just like, you know, I'm gonna go to the pool in the complex and I want to be too sexy and I'm bloated and I just want to go down there to get some sun and I don't really care about what I'm really wearing. I would wear this, but this is also nice for the woman that does not like to show a lot. She likes to be, you know, she wants to go to the pool, she wants to feel sexy in her bathing suit, but she also wants to be covered up. She don't like the little tiny coochie part. She don't like the little string bikini up her ass. She don't like super cheeky. She just wants to wear a bathing suit that actually has fittable fabric. It gives you some peekaboo sexy in the front. Oh, and by the way, guys, this suit has a lot of support. If you have huge titties, this one is going to hold them up for you. Like, there's a lot of support here. I also love this little netting part in the back. It's so adorable. I love it. And then again, adjusting, we can't skip out on that. A lot of adjusting in this. Absolutely like this one. This one it's different, but I love it. Different for me, I should say. Now this one is probably my favorite one. I love the pattern. This top to me is so versatile in so many ways, because if you wanted to, you could easily flip this part upside down, yes, you won't have any silicone, but the silicone thing is down here, the grip is down here. But if you flip this upside down, I feel like you can untie this and you could put this part around your neck and wear it as a halter. So it gives you two looks in one. The back has this metal clasp. The bottoms fit perfect. Ain't much to say about it, but it fits perfect. Now this one, your ass gonna eat up, okay? It's gonna go up your butt. It looks good. I love it. Fits perfect. Now that one is on me. Then I got this cover up. The cover up did smell a little weird, okay? Let me be honest here. The cover up did smell a little weird, but I love the cover up. Make sure you wash it before you take it with you to your next trip because you might smell like a basement. Other than that, I love it. I tied the front. I gave you two different looks, so you could tie the front or you could leave the front hanging. Had a little split on the sides so that if you just want to walk around the beach, if you're on a resort and you just want to throw this on, you know. And then it gives you a little bit of peekaboo on the front. Like it hangs a little bit low. If you wanted to, you can pull it up. I got this in the medium, I think, or it was either one size fits all. But if it is one size fits all, I see why, because it is a little bit large, but it's still very fitting if you make it very fitting. Next, I'm going to show you guys this black bathing suit. Love it. I love it so much because I love how the bottom is shaped. The bottom has like the V cut. I love. So I feel like, again, for me who's lacking in the back area, the booty, it gives me the illusion that I have more of a butt than what I was actually born with. So I love it for that. And then I love the top because it has like these really cute little frills on the side, which I forgot I chose this one. So it's like your typical simple black bikini, but it just has little detail parts that just make it stand out a little bit more than it just being a regular black string bikini. So I love this one. The material, again, amazing. The stretch is amazing. I wouldn't go any larger than this and I wouldn't go any smaller than this. So we have this floral one. Okay, so I'm gonna go right into this one. So this one, first of all, I don't do patterns, but I chose this one because I thought it would be different for people who like patterns. You might like a pattern. So I got this for you. And I don't do patterns, but I like the way this one looks and fits on me. This is the back. It has a really cute type of braided thing going on back here, but the thing I don't like is there's no adjusting. So if it had adjusting, I felt like I could have adjusted it to make it tighter and pull my titties up a little bit because I felt like my bra was just sitting on my chest versus it like doing what it should be doing. So I would say there's not much support in this top if you're looking for a top that has a lot of support. This ain't it, okay? But I love the way it looks. Now for me, I'm not really picky on much stuff, so I'm gonna still wear it. But I'm just letting you know, if you want support, this ain't support. However, the bottoms. Now the bottoms, it's supposed to be really high. You can obviously see that. I love the little silver detail parts right there. This whole look is cute. I wish I would have gotten the bottom in a large, but because it comes so together, if I would have got the top in a large, I feel like the top would have been way bigger, and then I feel like the bottom would have fit a little bit more perfect. You know what I'm saying? But, oh, and then the front is very narrow. So make sure you have a wax, because I didn't have a wax in this video. I'm due for one. Last but not least, we have the orange boo. Now, this is the big panty. And I, again, wouldn't really normally wear high-waisted panties or bathing suits, but I don't mind the big panty. I don't know if I'm calling it a big panty. I don't mind the high-waisted bottom just because, again, for those days where you just want to cover your stomach, some people don't always like to wear string bikinis. You do know that, right? Like, but I like it, though. I like it. I feel like it gives me a little, I do like the way it fits me. I feel really sexy in it. So that's good. And then the top is just regular top. Oh, I love this little double part. And again, there is adjusting on the back. We need adjusting. If we don't have adjusting, we're gonna be uncomfortable. And then the back has this little silver clasp that's very supportive, okay? So that is basically my entire try-on haul. I loved everything. Like, I love the way everything fits. I'm hooked on the quality. I think a lot of times when you order from new brands that you're not familiar with, you know, you are a little scared. It's like, what if you order it and then you hate everything you get? Shipping was really quick, by the way. I get even more excited when I try new... Oh shit. Did I order no meat in my salad?
Front door.
Woo! My Chick-fil-A salad is here. Alright guys, I'll see you guys in my next video.